In this video, you'll learn how to add social media links to your Mailchimp campaigns. By following these steps, you can enhance your emails with links to your social media profiles, helping to increase engagement with your audience. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL in the address bar. Once the homepage loads, ensure you are logged into your account. If prompted, enter your credentials and click Login to access your dashboard. Next, locate the Campaigns option. On the left side of the dashboard, click on this option to view your existing campaigns. From here, you will see a list of your campaigns. Identify the campaign you wish to edit and click on it to open the campaign details. After that, look for the Edit Design button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the campaign page. Click on Edit Design to interface. This interface allows you to modify the content and layout of your email. Once you are in the design editor, type the text that you want to serve as the link to your social media page. This could be the name of your social media platform or a call to action such as follow us on Facebook. Ensure that the text is clearly visible and appropriately placed within your email layout. Now, highlight the text you just typed by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. This action will enable the text formatting options. After highlighting, look for a link icon in the toolbar above the text area and click on it. This will open a dialog box for entering the link. Type in the URL of your social media page into the provided field in the dialog box. Ensure that the URL is correct to avoid any broken links. After entering the URL, click on the Save button to confirm the link. This step is crucial as it ensures your text is now hyperlinked to your social media profile. Next, you should click on the Preview option, usually found in the upper right corner of the design editor. This will allow you to see how your email will appear to recipients. Review the link to ensure it directs to the correct social media page. After confirming everything appears as intended in the preview, you can exit the preview mode. Finally, look for the Save and Close button to save your changes. This action will ensure your social media links are now part of your email campaign. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.